Have you ever taken a stroll through your garden and thought, that plant looks a bit cheeky? Well, you're not alone. Nature has its own sense of humor, presenting us with plants that resemble a human butt. Yes, you heard that right. In this video, we're going to explore those plants. First up, we have the Lithops, also known as living stones. These small succulents are famous for their peculiar shape, which, you guessed it, resembles a human butt. Next is Butternut Squash. While usually associated with Halloween and fall decorations, some gourds grow in shapes that can only be described as comically bottom-like. Adding its own fruity twist to butt plants, the peach stands out with its soft, round form and distinct cleft, giving a whole new meaning to the phrase peachy behind. Butternut, with its curvaceous and nutty appearance, proudly joining the ranks of our collection of butt plants. Its name matches its appearance perfectly. Ever heard of horse's balls? Yes, that's really the name of this plant. Despite its amusing name, this shrub's fruits hang on its branches and bear a striking resemblance to a human butt. Lastly, we have baby bums, or Gibium hati. These cute little succulents not only bear the name, but also look like a human baby's butt. Found in a small South African region, they are affectionately called baba butchies. So there you have it, a tour of the botanic world's cheekier side. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a curious onlooker, these plants offer a playful and humorous addition to any green space.